This next lesson is a little riff paddle and roll combination that I absolutely love. And it's a great exercise for practicing those riffs and those paddle rolls. And as you learn it and you get it, you can start to do it faster and faster. And it's a lot of fun. You're going to start with the right foot and you're going to do a 5-count riff walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, that's going to be toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. From here, you're going to do a paddle and roll on the left foot, big brush, step, heel, a paddle and roll on the right foot, big brush, step, heel, and then you're going to do a paddle heel drop, big brush, heel. That sets you up to start again on the left side this time. So you do your 5-count riff walk, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, paddle and roll, dig, brush, heel. Okay, so let's go back and put that little bit together first. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Let's do just that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, big brush, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, big brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, brush, step, heel, big brush, step, heel, big brush, heel. Good. From here, so that's what I sort of considered the big part of the combination. Then we have these sort of mini sections. So you're going to do another 5-count riff walk on the right foot, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe. Now you're going to do just a dig, brush, heel. Then you do your 5-count riff walk on the left side, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, and a dig, brush, heel. So just that little section is going to be toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel. Okay, let's go back to the beginning of the combination and put it all together. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel. Good. We have one more little section to add on to finish the combination. You're basically going to do the big combo again. So you're starting with the 5-count riff walk right, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, 2 paddle and rolls, and a dig, brush, heel. And that finishes the whole combination. So let's put it all together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, step, heel, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, heel, toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, and toe, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, heel, stuff, heel, heel, toe, dig,